Hi everyone, here we've got MEIZU M6T and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and now we have to scroll and tap on fingerprint and security. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and here we've got unknown sources option, which is right now turned off. If you would like to turn it on, just tap on the switch right here, and as you can see we've got the warning that your phone and personal data are more vulnerable to attacks by apps from unknown sources. It is because your developer might not check and verify all the third-party apps which you would like to use, so you're doing it on your own responsibility. And if you're ready, just tap on yes, and as you can see, if the switcher looks like it, then it means that it is active, so you're just allowed to install some content from unknown sources. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your MEIZU M6T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.